Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some decluttering around the house as we prepare for our upcoming move this summer. When we get closer to our move, I'll be doing another huge declutter, but today I'm just going to do what I know needs to go. So let's get started. My youngest birthday is February 12th, and it always falls within a couple days of the Super Bowl. And he always wants to celebrate during the Super Bowl, so the past couple years we've been doing a Super Bowl themed birthday party, and I'm just showing you guys the decorations. This is like a week and a half after the Super Bowl, so these clips are a little old. I'm just gonna get this cleaned up, and then I'm gonna fast forward a few days later to where I start decluttering.
'Cause you must trust me, I can never do you wrong. Take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. Hold on, I think I'm losing it. Come on, I'm telling you, I think we should slow it down. Cold out when you turn your back on me. Feels like we've reached the point of no return now. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this sticky love. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave me. I hate when I'm lonely. Yeah, 'cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. Remember the things that you told me? They got me moving forward. And all the times that we disagreed just cut my respect deeper. I'm feeling that we are something really special when I look back on us. It's starting to sink in. Don't want it to be misunderstood. Rolling in the deep. Don't want to break this. 'Cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do.
All right, we're starting in the pantry today, and I already started taking out some mugs that I need to donate that we just no longer use. I'm just gonna continue on with that same cabinet, just taking out things that we haven't used in a long time or just no longer need. Some of these things are those reusable cups from theme parks that you can just bring back every time you go, but these are all from last year, so we can no longer use them anyway this year, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate those. Some other things we have in here that I need to get rid of are some of the kids' water bottles that they use for school. We just don't need that many, so I'm gonna get rid of those. I have some entertaining dishes up here that I'm gonna keep because I only have like 3, I think, in here that are large, like plates for entertaining, so I'm gonna keep those in there. Starbucks reusable cups that I'm gonna keep for now. They change colors and the kids like it, so I'm gonna keep those for now. And then I'm gonna change over to the other cabinet. This cabinet, I have wine glasses and other entertaining glasses and dishes. I don't have too much in this cabinet. I did end up taking 1 or 2 things out. Moving on to this cabinet. These cabinets are super deep, so it looks like there's a lot in here, but there really isn't a lot going on in these cabinets. They're just pulled kind of to the front. That white bin that I just took out, they're full of plastic cups, and I want to hold on to those because when the movers are here and they're trying to pack up all your stuff, you don't want to have to worry about piling dishes in the sink and making dirty dishes. So I like to have plastic cups and paper plates ready for when we move. I also have a couple light bulbs in here, and then the shelf underneath that, I just have some candles. I don't have many anymore. I used to have a ton of candles in this cabinet, but we've been burning through candles like crazy this past year because the movers can't pack candles because safety. The cabinet below holds all of my cleaning supplies and cleaning tools like mops and steamers, my mop bucket, extra toilet paper, things like that. So I'm just gonna go through all of this really quick, look at what I need to get rid of. I did end up having some empty bottles that I just need to throw out. I didn't get rid of too many things out of this cabinet just yet because we still have to live here. We still have a few months left, so I did more organizing in this closet than decluttering. But when we get closer to our move, I am gonna have to get rid of the majority of the liquids here.
Stay with me now till the morning light. Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
Just remember that I had 2 griddles in this cabinet, so I'm gonna get rid of the one that we don't use as often. I'm gonna donate that one. We don't need to. So this cabinet, I rarely go in because it's so high up and I'm using the wrong step stool, but we hold a lot of our first aid stuff in here. So there's gauze, band-aids, backup medicine that we don't reach for often. One of the white bins that I pulled out of my cleaning closet, that was just full of sanitizer and sanitizing wipes and alcohol. So I'm just gonna move that to that cabinet. Still in the pantry, my phone actually stopped recording because I ran out of storage, but I did end up getting rid of the majority of the things on that top shelf. We have this corner cabinet in our pantry that I love so much. It's so convenient. I love that the drawers pull out for easy access. I'm just looking in here to see if I need to get rid of anything, and I actually don't. I use all of this stuff, so I'm gonna keep everything in this cabinet.
I see that smile in those beautiful brown eyes, girl. I hear your voice, it whispers in the dark. Yeah, you make it right, yeah, girl. Everything.
So all of these mason jars are from when we made homemade jams throughout the years, and I just ended up keeping them. Some of our family members like to use them to drink out of, but we never use them, so I'm gonna get rid of the majority. I'm gonna keep 4 small ones, and I think I kept 4 larger ones just in case, but before we move, I'm probably gonna get rid of all the rest.
Just one chance, baby, take my hand. My heart's in motion for you, across the ocean for you.
Now I'm in the guest room really quick. There's just a couple things in here that I've been holding on to and I realize I don't need and I don't use, so we're gonna donate that.
So that's not true, no. And I know it's hard and we've lost in many ways, but I ain't giving up. Our love will never lose. I'd cross the ocean for you. Dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you.
All right, moving on to the kids' bathroom. 2 white bins that I'm going through are a lot of first aid things from when they were younger. There's more medications in there, like backup medications and things for when my son had really bad eczema. He still does, but he takes a special medication. So a lot of that stuff we don't even need anymore. And a lot of that stuff is expired anyway, so I'm throwing that all out. We all have naturally curly hair, so that means there's a ton of curly hair products in our bathrooms. I'm just going through their hair products, and I actually ended up getting rid of a good amount due to them being pretty much empty.
I dive into the deepest sea. My soul is sold out for you. I give you everything that you need. Give me just one chance. Baby, take my hand. My heart's in motion.
Moving on to the boys' closet, I'm going to start at the top to see what I need to throw out or donate, and then I'm going to go through their clothes really quick. I already know I'm not going to get rid of too many things just yet. We're still going through some really cold weather, and when we're done with winter altogether, I'm going to go back through their clothes to see what else I can donate. I actually already have a little donation pile already going, so I'm just going to look through it again to see what I can add to that. right, moving on to my closet. I'm gonna go through my clothes really quick. I do this year round, so this time around it probably won't be a ton of clothes. I feel like I recently did this a couple months ago, but we're back and I'm gonna be decluttering some more.
All I wanted was a little connection, but they only care for their own reflection. I tried to blend in, but I'll never be like them. Out here, I'm someone else. Honey, all the lies just taste so sweet. Honestly, don't believe a thing they say. So tired of the games. It's not real, it's just pretend. Honey, all the lies just taste so sweet. Concrete jungle where dreams are sold. But your lips are worth more than gold. We don't fit in here 'cause we're too broke. Thank God I found you there in the smoke. All I wanted was a little affection, but they only care for their own reflection. I tried to blend in, but I can't fake it. I don't wanna be someone else. Honey, all the lies just taste so sweet. Honestly, don't believe a thing they say. So tired of the games. It's not real, it's just pretend. Honey, all the lies just taste so sweet. Honey, all the lies just taste so sweet. Honestly, don't believe a thing they say. So tired of the games. It's not real, it's just pretend.
Now I'm underneath my sink. I'm gonna go through my body products, my skincare, my hair stuff, and just see what needs to be thrown out, because just like the boys' bathroom, their hair products, I got rid of a lot of bottles that were pretty much empty. Same thing here. So we're gonna go through all of that stuff and also get rid of things that I haven't used in a long time because there's no need to have it in there. Also, doing a little bit of reorganizing as I'm putting things back in. I didn't do a good job at showing you guys what it looked like before. It wasn't terrible, but it's really about the declutter. So I'll show you guys everything that I end up getting rid of.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe?
All the stuff on the floor I'm getting rid of. It actually filled up that entire bag. It started overflowing after a while. All that stuff is going to the trash, and that was just stuff underneath my sink and a few things in those drawers. Now I'm moving on to my makeup drawer. I love having my makeup in this drawer, and one day in my final home I want a dedicated vanity in my bathroom just for makeup. But for now I'm going to take everything out and find a solution for my makeup, because I want this top drawer to be for me and Brandon's essentials. I'm just gonna put all of my makeup in this case, and I'm gonna store it underneath my sink and then just pull it out each day when I do my makeup.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy.
All of this is going to the trash. These are either old products or products that just didn't work for me, that I didn't like. Going to the trash. I clean and sanitize this drawer, and I'm going to use this for me and Brandon's essentials, the things that we reach for every day and are most likely on the countertop, just taking up space and making it feel cluttered in my bathroom. I can't stand that. We don't have any storage space in our bathroom besides these few drawers and the cabinets under our sink, so this is actually a nice little change. That's going to be it for today's declutter video. Stay tuned because I am going to be doing another one on my channel. It's probably going to be bigger than this one. This one wasn't even nearly as big as what it's going to be when we move. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.